In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful. My heartiest greetings to everyone watching this video. I welcome you to a tantalizing snack recipe by Cook with Hannah. We can make this tempting snack with simple ingredients. I am making breadcrumbs first. You can also buy from market. For this I am baking for bread slices in air fryer. We can also use oven and bake for 5 minutes to make them dry. After that I will grind them to make crumbs. I feel immense pleasure if you give a thumbs up as it will help me reaching more viewers. Such little support is a gesture of love and care. These crumbs are super fine because of baking in air fryer. If we bake these in oven, these will be coarse. Then I am going to chop some vegetables. I am using onion, carrots, and cabbage. This recipe is full of nutrients, a complete meal, and your kids will like it a lot. Finely chopped veggies give a crunchy texture to cutlets. Then I am going to chop boiled chicken and boiled potatoes. I boiled the chicken with salt, black pepper, and ginger garlic paste. Now mix everything together with spices. It's very difficult to mix them evenly with spatula, so I am mixing with hands. Now I am going to chop green chilies, green coriander, and capsicum. Add them in mixture. If you reach this section of recipe, accept a special thanks. Also subscribe and follow if you are watching my video for the first time. Now add spices. I am adding salt, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Mix well so that all flavors melt together. Now make cutlets of whatever shape or size you want. Now I am going to make a batter. Beat an egg in a bowl. Sift in all-purpose flour. Add salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Mix with a beater to avoid lumps. Add water and give it the required medium consistency to coat the cutlets. Now coat the cutlets first with batter and then with breadcrumbs. Make as many as you want. Put in freezer at least half an hour before frying. I am frying in air fryer. You can fry in oil also, but don't bake them. Fry in air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is the final look. These are crunchy and yummy. Hope you liked the recipe. See you soon again. Take care.